Is that big enough?
Ah, what is that?
Hi, my name is Aurora and I live in London. I haven't been able to find any pasta anywhere. So I'm reaching out for my best mate who lives in Rome to teach me how to make my favorite meal, gnocchi.
Hi Aurora, how is it going? How is the lockdown going?
Yeah, it's alright.
Well, I'm gonna show you how to make gnocchi then. Let's get started. So the first thing you need to do is to boil the potatoes. I would say about 700 grams. Also, another important thing, the potatoes need to be old potatoes because if they're not old, the gnocchi are not gonna be as good. You're gonna get a bit mushy. Look how nice. You can just peel them with your fingers.
Yeah, same here. Right, so my potatoes are now in a big bowl. What do I do next?
So you need potato
Masher?
masher. You need flour. It's 300 grams of flour. You put a pinch of salt into the potatoes.
You got wine in there?
No, this is
Oh no, I was like,
olive oil.
I was getting excited.
Just a tiny bit, not too much. And then I usually start using a fork and I mix everything up and I start adding the flour slowly. Then I put a bit of water as well.
Okay,
It's a bit dry.
okay. Most of the recipe that I find online, they put an egg in it.
What? You don't put eggs into this? No, that's not Italian gnocchi. You now start using your hands. If you need, maybe add a bit more flour if you see that it's if it's very sticky.
So yeah, my dough I think is very sticky now, isn't it?
Yeah, I think it's because you didn't use all potatoes, as I said.
Yeah, but I couldn't find any.
It's a very important element to the gnocchi making.
Well now, it's slightly better I think with the flour.
Yeah, add a bit more flour. Has to look like bread. This is how it's supposed to look.
I'm far from this.
Oh, yeah. You can't expect that much from a French person, come on. So when it's ready, you just use cling film
Yeah.
and then you put it in the fridge for about half an hour. So you take just a tiny bit,
Okay.
you add a bit of flour,
Oh.
and then you start doing this. Yeah, just copy what I'm doing. I don't even know how to explain it. Now, you can just cut them like this.
It's about that big enough?
What is that?
Is that big enough?
Is that one piece of gnocchi?
Yeah.
No, that's huge. And the traditional way to do it is to use this
Yeah.
to give them, the right shape.
Oh, okay, but if I don't have anything like that, what should I do?
You can use a fork. So let me show you. You can do that. And do. Wait. Let me show you.
It's too soggy, I think.
Yeah, maybe in your case, I would leave it as they are.
I don't think you're very proud of this, are you?
What is that?
Right, so in the next step, Fabiana, we're gonna be putting our little gnocchi potato dumplings into boiling water, is that right?
Yes.
Okay, great.
So I'm just gonna bring them into the kitchen. So the water is boiling, so I'm just gonna put a bit of salt.
Yeah.
You see how they start, let me show you, how they start floating.
Oh wow, that's amazing. Yeah.
Gnocchis are ready! And ta-da!
We're nearly ready. Here we have it. Mmm.
Mmm.
Thank you.
Very nice.
I think you saved my lockdown. Now I can enjoy proper pasta.